Hi everybody, welcome back to another day in doing hair. And remember that I said I had a big old fat curling iron that I wanted to use. Of course, it's one of those impulse buys. So you go to Marshall's and you see all the, I just grab crap. I'm not gonna lie. I just be like, oh look, little tea tree face mask. I'm gonna grab that. Oh look, cucumber eye pads. I don't need no damn cucumber eye pads. I probably do, but I haven't used any of them. They're just sitting there. So, of course, I bought the big fat Revlon iron because I was like, oh, maybe one day I'll use it. So today is that day. So we're gonna, of course, our trusty freeze and shine is what we'll put on our hair before we curl. Because with the bigger iron, you're gonna really want it to stay. Obviously we're gonna do like a shampoo set today, old lady style. I got my little silver duckbill clips. You can get these at Sally's. The thing is, when you do the big iron and you put this in there, it'll give time for the curl to cool, so it'll keep like some volume. And you know I like big hair. So we'll start in the back, so let's just pull up the top, put a little clip in. I know everybody's been complaining that they don't see the back of my hair. Girl, I don't even see the back of my hair. Like, come on. You don't need to see the back of your hair, you just feel it. Use your intuition. You know what I'm doing, I'm curling the back. You can curl the back too. We'll just curl it up. I've never used, except for in the 80s, a silver. No, I use the hot tools. Gold irons. Get it hot. So we'll see. It's getting hot. It's heating up. We'll see what we get. Let's do a little more spray. I'm not totally convinced. My first time using the curling iron, so we gotta. Okay, so then when you take, just snippy snap that iron out. Take your little clip and just look, you clip the curl in, and I feel it. It's warm on my neck, so you can even spray it again if you want to. We're just trying to set the curl so that when you run your fingers through it, it'll be kind of, hopefully. I don't know, because this is my first time too. We're going to learn it together, right? Okay. Let's take our next little section. And what we'll do is we'll spray this underneath part because that's the part that's going to hit that iron. Take it to the end, roll it up. Girl, I'm going to look like Helen down at the assisted living home, okay? My shampoo set. Back in the day, this is all they did. Put their big curling in. Well, they used to use the rollers, right? I haven't used rollers in like 20 years. All the hot irons came out and the rollers, man, it used to take forever for them to heat up. They never put enough in there to do your whole head, did they? No, they didn't. Okay, click it out, click it out. See, we don't need a mirror to see my back. I can't even see my back. I don't know what's going on back there. I don't know what's happening. We're just gonna... What if you just left your hair in this big... Some people do that for photo shoots, you know, have the big, round... So we're doing these sideways. Remember, we're gonna do some spray. So we're trying to get these curls to stay. Now I only have a couple of clips. I'm supposed to have a lot more, but I'm not prepared. So by the time I do my next one, I'll let this one out because it should be cool, but it still really isn't cool. You could probably take your blow dryer on cool it down a little bit if you needed to. This seems a little more complicated than our just throw some curls in and get your ass out the door. So if you don't want to wake up in the morning and do this, I get it. I understand. But remember, I'm just trying to be cute. I don't know what you're doing. Alright. Woo! Yeah! Rolling, rolling, rolling. Hair. Rolling hair. Alright. This. Ooh, that freeze and shine is working, sister. Yes. Big old Revlon curling iron. She is doing her job with her little shampoo set. Oh, I hope when I brush this out, I look like a beauty queen. Clip it out. Snappy snap. Okay, so remember that's my last little one. So let's take this back one out. Ooh, kind of stayed. It kind of stayed. Let's do this one in the back. Straight up. Let's brush that. It's a little nappy. Do not curl your naps, lady, or you just will have a curly nap. And I don't know if anybody noticed, but I don't have any roots. Look it. I did my color yesterday. Aren't you proud? I'm proud. No gray, no dark roots. It's so nice when your hair is freshly done, except for I have to put so much conditioner on there because I put bleach in my hair and F it up that I gotta condition it so then it's all soft and shiny and fabulous. And you know, soft, shiny, fabulous hair does not work when you try to style it. Okay, got that clip in. Let's take the little clip out from this one. Alright. So let's go this one. Straight up. Scooch down so I can show you. Get to the end, curl it up. This feels nice. I don't think it works as fast as the gold one because it takes a little minute for my fingers to burn here. But it's working. Everyone's getting there, aren't they? Sometimes with the top ones, you might not even have to clip them because they'll sit right in on these other curls. So I'm gonna go sideways because I wear my hair, I think, wear it to this side. So we're just gonna prepare for the worst, hope for the best. Hopefully my side words to the side scheme works out. Hopefully this curling iron is still on. I don't see the light on. I always press the buttons with my hands. It turns off halfway through. But this one heated up pretty quick. Ooh. Alright. Good curl. Let's take this clip out. Clip it up here. Front bang. Let's just do that big 80s bang. Don't be scared. It'll be okay if you look like a little flower for a minute. Oh. This would have been great for Christmas, my little Whoville hair. Okay, I'm gonna do this to the side. The piece fell out. Oh, that's just one be in front. Set it right there. Thank you. A little piece up. What is this one doing? Good Lord. This is how I know, ladies, that it sucks styling your hair and getting ready in the morning. Sometimes I feel it too, okay? I don't always like it. Ooh, we only have 2 more. Celebration. This might be one of the longest videos I've done with this dang curl and set style. Better be worth it. If anything, it might just look like a bomb blowout, you know? It's just nice to sit here and listen to me BS anyways, right? I think so. Let's take these little clips out so you can get fancy. Ooh, look at my scalp. Alright. Moment of truth. So, let's let that one cool. Get our spray on a little bit. Ooh, I'm feeling the fluff. Okay, there we go. But we still have a clip. Houston, we have a clip. Ooh, supermodel work. Work it, girl. Now, since I don't have a mirror in the back, and nobody can see, you guys tell me. How'd we do back there? Was it okay? Usually when I'm done, I will go in the bathroom and look in the mirror. But look, that big fat pageant hair, you know I look for that every day to last and have big fat pageant. Who does it? If you're not looking for big fat pageant hair, you're in trouble. At least one day out of the week. You need to have it. You could spray it again if you want to. But at least I look like the cutest lumberjack ever. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, tell your friends, share the video. I'm trying to get some free freeze and shine up in here, okay? Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.